If you're having audio issues with your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, such as no sound, low volume, echoing, delayed, muffled sound, etc., then let me show you how to reset audio settings and fix any audio issues with your Hisense Smart TV. First, make sure you have turned up the volume of your TV using the remote. If the volume is already turned up, but you still can't hear music, then next we'll check if you have selected the correct audio output. Open Settings, go to Sound, open Audio Output and select TV Speaker. After that, your Hisense Smart TV should play audio normally. If not, next we'll go to Sound Mode Settings, then select Apply Audio Settings and set it to all sources. Go back, move all the way down and select Reset Current Mode and press OK. This will revert all the changes you have made to the audio mode and should fix any sound issues you are having. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to leave your feedback down below and I'll see you around.